Over 76 million Americans are freelancing right now. That's nearly 44% of the entire US workforce. And according to Upwork, skilled freelancers generated $1.5 trillion in earnings in 2024 alone. The freedom to work from anywhere, be your own boss, and set your own rates. It's real, it's growing fast, and the best part is that you can start with zero experience. But there's one thing nobody tells beginners: landing your first client is the hardest part. After that, everything gets easier. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. Step 1. Pick one skill and own it. The biggest mistake new freelancers make is trying to offer everything: writing, design, video editing, social media all at once. That's a surefire way to get ignored. Clients don't hire generalists, they hire specialists. Pick one skill you already have or can learn fast: copywriting, graphic design, web development, video editing, social media management. Then narrow it down even further. Don't say you're a writer. Say you write email sequences for e-commerce brands. That specificity is what makes clients stop scrolling and say, "This is exactly who I need." Step 2. Build a portfolio even if you have no clients yet. Here's what most beginners do wrong. They wait for clients before building a portfolio. Flip that. Create 2 or 3 sample projects based on your skill. If you're a graphic designer, design a mock brand identity for a fake company. If you're a writer, write a sample blog post for a real brand and show what you do differently. Results matter more than credentials. Managed social media accounts tells a client nothing. Grew a local bakery's Instagram from 800 to 4,200 followers in 90 days. Tells them everything. Even one spec project like that is more powerful than 5 certifications. Step 3. Start with warm outreach, not platforms. Most beginners jump straight onto Upwork or Fiverr. That's actually the wrong first move. Here's why: on those platforms, you're competing with hundreds of freelancers who already have dozens of 5-star reviews. Without any reviews, you're invisible. According to experts, your first client almost always comes from warm outreach people who already know you or know someone who knows you. Text a former coworker. Reach out to a family friend who runs a small business. Post on your personal LinkedIn that you're offering freelance services. You'd be surprised how fast one post turns into a referral. Aim for this in your first 60 days. Talk to 40 potential buyers. Send 20 tailored outreach messages and convert just one into a paying project. That's it. Step 4. Write proposals that actually get responses. Once you do get on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr, your proposal is everything. Never send a copy-paste template. Address the client's specific problem in the first sentence. Briefly explain your approach. Ask one smart question that shows you actually read their job post. A personalized, targeted proposal beats 50 generic ones every single time. On Fiverr, price your first few gigs competitively between $25 and $75 just to collect your first 2 or 3 reviews. Those reviews are the real currency. Once you have them, your profile starts working for you. Step 5. Deliver so well, they come back and refer you. Here's the secret weapon that most people miss. Your first client is not just a paycheck. They are your entire marketing strategy. Over-deliver on your first project. Finish early if you can. Communicate clearly. Ask for a testimonial the moment they're happy. Then ask if they know anyone else who might need your services. According to Upwork, most successful freelancers say referrals become their #1 source of new clients within 6 months. One great client can turn into 3. 3 can turn into 10. Here's the bottom line. Freelancing isn't luck. It's a system. Pick one skill. Build a portfolio with mock work. Start with your warm network. Write proposals that are specific, not generic. And over-deliver on every first project. The first client is always the hardest. But once you land them, the momentum builds fast. The only question is, when are you going to start? If this video gave you value, smash that like button, subscribe for more money strategies every week, and drop a comment below. Tell me what skill you're going to freelance with. I'd love to know.